There is one idea that if you wrap your head around this idea, you can make just about anyone drawn to you. So we talk a lot about the anxious avoidant dynamic. Here's the four main attachment styles if you're new here. The anxious preoccupied is very open. They're a very open person. They lack independence, they lack identity, and they really identify by their relationships. The dismissive avoidant is very closed off, and they are terrified of vulnerability. They have a hard time getting close to people. And the fearful avoidant exhibits both anxious and dismissive traits. They can be volatile. That's why this is called the disorganized attachment style. Now, I think social media, people in general, tend to be a bit too obsessed with the dismissive avoidant attachment people because, again, the dismissive avoidant is very closed off, and this creates a sense of mystery around them. You're trying to decode their silence. You're trying to make sense of them pulling away. So does that mean then that in order to make people obsessed with you, that you should be a dismissive avoidant? No, that's not what I'm saying at all. Because here's the thing, okay? Here's the thing about the dismissive avoidant. The dismissive avoidant is insecure. That's important to remember, that this is an insecure attachment style. So yeah, they may come off as mysterious. You may obsess with them for a bit. But once you start learning about them, once you start learning about attachment styles, you actually see just how insecure they really are. Okay, so you get tired of chasing them. Okay, it gets boring. The dismissive avoidant becomes boring after a while. Okay, and you start to see their insecurities. They are too insecure to talk. They're too insecure to express themselves. They're too insecure to connect. And again, they're terrified of vulnerability. And you begin to notice this, and you're no longer seduced by them because there's actually nothing seductive about this. Someone who is terrified of vulnerability, expressing themselves. There's nothing seductive about that. Ultimately, the avoidant is insecure. Now, let's talk about insecurity. Okay, here's the thing with insecurity. It's actually quite selfish to be insecure. Okay, now I'm not here to judge because we all have insecurities. I certainly do. But it's actually quite selfish of you when you're insecure because you're self-absorbed. You're worried about what others think of you. You're only thinking about yourself. And people pick up on this. Okay, it makes them feel insecure. They think, oh, am I doing something wrong? Am I in the wrong place? Why is this person so worried about themselves? They're so caught up in themselves. And it creates this kind of awkward energy. It's a bit uncomfortable. But when you can release your insecurities, okay, when you can kind of get over yourself and be more empathetic, be more curious about the other person, then this creates a seductive energy and people are drawn into this. Okay, and this is where people become more obsessed, more intrigued because, well, now they're curious. Now they're more relaxed, more comfortable, and they can let their guard down. And guess what? A dismissive avoidant attachment style is incapable of creating this kind of relaxing, seductive energy because they are closed off. They are insecure. So who creates this kind of energy? Who can relax in their own self-confidence, get out of themselves, show empathy, show curiosity, make you feel relaxed, make you feel drawn in and intrigued? Well, it's the secure attachment style. Okay? They are not emotionally flooded and overwhelming like the anxious preoccupied. They're not closed off and boring like the dismissive avoidant. They're not volatile and resentful like the fearful avoidant. No, they are calm, relaxed, and curious. And that energy, it's very reflective. It makes you calm. It makes you relaxed and curious. And it makes you kind of obsessed and intrigued with them. It draws you in. You want to be around them more. So having a secure attachment style is really what magnetizes you. And once you wrap your head around this idea that being insecure is actually quite selfish. Avoidants are actually quite boring after a while. And, being secure and empathetic and curious, people are going to be more drawn to this. They're going to be more drawn to that energy. And that's what makes people more obsessive and intrigued over you. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope I brought some good into your life today. If so, please like and subscribe. Please share your thoughts and your stories. Any questions, share them in the comments. Let's get the discussion going. If you think this video might help somebody, please share it with them. And until next time, you take care. I'll see you in the next video.